Alright, we are live. We got massive freezing rain going on. Come on, phone, cooperate. I think it's dying down. Yeah, we got massive freezing rain going on. Go do a little lap. We're waiting for the stuff at 2 to 3 o'clock. Oh yeah, there you go. Alright, let's just do a little lap. It's pretty much just a content update. I'll be bringing the bike down, snow bike, studded tires, here in about, I don't know, maybe another hour and a half or so. And then we'll be waiting for the stuff at, I don't know, I'll probably hop out at 2:30, 2:45. Wait for this, damn solid ice. Now it's starting to come back down again. If we get too much ice, I'll drone it. We'll actually probably go out to the woods for that. That'll be cool. Glide over a bunch of trees. Get the little icicles. That'll be pretty badass, really. But yeah, just a quick little live to show everybody what's going on. Like if you're out on the highway, for sure, be on the lookout. Yeah, these roads are getting extremely slick. You got trains around here. The roads seem like they're okay. It's just these untreated surfaces that are posing an issue. Go through downtown and then I'll end the stream and we'll wait. I wanted to come out because I was in my apartment. I got 2 weeks off. We're a week off for Christmas and then we're rebuilding our building. And yeah, man, I'm actually really kind of proud of the 2 leads at our shop, along with the owner. Our town, we need winners, man. We need winners around here. We need these 2, 3, and then the girls in the office to be winners, leaders. And they're showing production, you know. Can't bitch and scream when, you know, people are doing shit. That's how I see it. No matter what you think about them, you know. Actions over words every time, no matter who the hell it is. So that's that's how we see all that. But yeah, anyways. Off for 2 weeks, man. We need a whole bunch of storms. We might get some. Obviously, we got today. We'll go bebop over here. There's another pocket coming in. And then I'll go back in and charge my phone. When this does happen, we trying out some new equipment. I'm doing a review on it. But yeah, we'll be hitting dirt roads at about 3. Yeah, it's pretty slick, dude. Not gonna lie. That was definitely a nice surprise pocket of freezing rain for sure. These little dips in the sidewalk there. Oh yeah. Dude, that's straight ice over here, dude. It's all conglomerating on the windows even. Look at that. Oh yeah. Dude, this is a skating rink. Yeah, it is. I'm not even try that. do a little lap through here and then go back up, put the phone on the charger. Oh yeah, like I was gonna say, when we go do this live today, we're gonna try out some new equipment. A, that I bought. B, that I've handcrafted. See a little black line? That's a base. We got more freezing rain. Oh yeah, for sure. Should go live stream with the drone, but I don't know how this drone's gonna act to the freezing rain up there. Could be heavier. Don't forget, not everything up in the air makes it to the ground. Yeah, that's another round right there coming in. It appears that we're on like the edge of a line. It's like firing really, really rapidly just on the west side of us. Like a county and a half over, not even. We'll do a quick little lap. Oh yeah. You good, bud? God, I don't know what you're doing, bro. I should have like reconned the area before you brought that back out, hey? Alright, actually these roads over here that are more traveled, they don't look as bad. He's turning around because he can't make it up the hill, I believe. It's a sheet of ice. He's gonna try and get some, what are you doing, dude? Couldn't have parked in a parking spot, lady, for real. Dog, what on earth? I think he's trying to straighten out over here on the curb, but the fucking ice is too thick. He can't get up. Yeah, we're gonna actually walk back with him. We'll be waiting here in about, I don't know, another hour and a half. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cross. Alright, I think we'll come up here to the light and then just end it and then go charge up. Yeah, we'll cross here, and then, oh, you know what we will do? We're gonna actually cross again here in a second. Go see what a dirt road's like, and then we'll end it. Yeah, this stuff over here, it's untreated as ice. Holy mackerel. Yeah, maybe we won't be crossing. Dude, all the traffic. Oh my god. It's because it's a freaking skating rink. Everybody's doing like 15. Holy moly. Here comes North Oakland. Yeah, look at this, dude. Holy fuck, man. Oops. Swear jar. Trying to not swear so much because I can't when I do my live streams, but I'm just getting back into it, so it's like, here's that pocket of freezing rain. Here we go. It is coming down again. We're gonna stay on. That's that base going over. I showed everybody. Yeah, man, we're starting to get some pretty good. Look at the tire tracks. Holy moly, that was just a little bit, and then we got 3 inches of snow possibly after this. Yeah, there's North Oakland. One of like salt truck, these should be probably laying salt down right now, or at least the chlorine mix. It's not chlorine. What do they use? Can't remember. I believe some states use a like out west they use a, I think it's kind of like a chlorine mix. That doesn't sound right. You wouldn't think that'd be legal to use, but I believe they do a mix. No other states do like a beet mix, like down in Nebraska. Cut back this way. Then end it, go to the other side of town, charge. And then get ready for the real stuff. Not that this isn't real, but I have figured something out. So my phone's like a couple of years old. The battery's starting to die really, really, really fast. And those software updates, I believe, because you have an older phone with all this new software, which is stupid because really it's only like 2 years old. The software updates is what kills your battery, because you got an old phone with this quote new software. And yeah, my battery's starting to really die quick. Actually, we've seen that the last couple live streams. My battery's like gone in a flash. But yeah, I think we'll end it here. Could have crossed town and then get ready for the real stuff. So yeah, I gotta go that way. So I will end the stream now. It's a cheesy little content stream. What'll be coming tonight will be the real deal. You see down there, got some more bases coming through, more little waves of freezing rain. Then I believe our real stuff will generate later on tonight. Hopefully we get some snow squalls. I don't know that if anything could generate into this humongous snowstorm in the amount of time that we have. There's really not a lot on radar. It's just this stuff that's above us. Unless, because I see the thumb, and then just around like Midland is supposed to have all of the snow. They've got heavy snow, and we are supposed to have heavy snow at some point in time today. So maybe this thing's gonna hit an air current, like maybe on the other side of Lake Erie, like, I don't know, across from like Lake Erie. So you got like Cleveland, and then maybe Lake Ontario over like northern Pennsylvania. There might be an air current, a little air pocket, and that might make this whole system start to spin. So all of our snow will be coming from like the Thumb, and then like Roscommon, Bay City, Midland, that way, and then go straight down, and then curve, and then pretty much just a nor'easter, but an eastern, extreme eastern side nor'easter, not eastern. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Unless if it's just going to be band after band after band, kind of like a summer event, that could be the case too. But I'm gonna guess that this is gonna get stronger, and then it's gonna hit an air current somewhere above Lake Erie and Lake Ontario, and then start to make this spin, and we'll get the western side of this snowstorm as it begins to spin, pushes southward from the north, Thumb, Roscommon, Bay City, Midland, and then like straight south. And then it won't start to turn until like it hits like Toledo and then Cleveland, and then spin back up that way. So that's my predictions. But yeah, quick little live stream. It's stopped freezing right now. Those are the bands over there, those little dark clouds. It's really nothing much. I thought maybe it might be a little photogenic, a little, I don't know, puffy clouds to get some cloud structure, but you know, they're just all flat bases. There's not really any, it's all like cumulus stratus mix. So, well, yeah, we're gonna end the live stream, and I'm gonna head across town, go back home, get ready for this stuff. I will see you guys later.